Hey YouTube, so we're getting ready for another pasture move tomorrow morning first thing. This pasture move is going to be probably maybe the most difficult one we've done yet, just given a few of the obstacles we've got to get around in order to make it happen. But we're actually moving out of a permanent pasture into another permanent pasture, and so what we'll end up doing is right behind me we've got this little lane, and we're going to bring these goats down from their current paddock. It's not too far that way, but we're going to bring them down this lane up against this permanent fence right here, and then we're going to go down this creek bank. We're going to take them down this creek bank into here, and then we're going to try to take them through this tunnel. And so on the other side of this tunnel, we've got set up already for our next paddock. And so as soon as they get through there, they'll be in the new paddock, but getting them into this tunnel is going to can be tough. It's something that those animals usually will want to balk at. It's not the type of place that they really want to go into. And when you get in there, you've got the echoing sounds and everything like that to throw them off. We probably wouldn't even be able to attempt this if the floor of this wasn't dry. This is a seasonal creek that runs into here, and so if it was actually wet right now, we wouldn't even be able to do it. Generally, goats and sheep, the way I understand it as well, they hate water. They won't get in it hardly. And so if there was a little bit of water, or even if just the floor of this was wet, we probably wouldn't even try this. So anyhow, this is the alternative to either taking these goats to the pens to load them on a trailer and drive them around, or take them all the way to the end of this pasture, across the railroad, on the road, back into the pasture, and then back down the length of the railroad to get to where we're going. So this is a nice little shortcut, and hopefully it works out like we planned. So like I say, tomorrow morning we're gonna come out here and give it a go and see how it works. If we have problems, if we can't get them in or can only get a few of them through the tunnel, we'll attempt to turn them around and drive them back to a set of pens that are kind of close to here, and probably put them on a trailer and drive them around if we have to. But hoping to not spend all the time doing that, and get things done quick just by taking this little shortcut. So it's going to be a little bit of an experiment. I've taken goats through a tunnel one time before, but I had a set of pins immediately adjacent to the tunnel, so I was able to push and get those goats kind of forced into it. And once they got into it, they walked through it just fine. So we'll see. I've got some help coming tomorrow. I got 2 guys on horseback, and they each have a dog. And then of course we got Lauren on the 4-wheeler leading them, and then myself and my dog Tanya. So anyhow, looking forward to making it, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. There. Walk up. Come on, walk up. Walk up, come on.